Hello guys, this is MDP Tech and today we are unboxing the Sony Alpha 7 Mark II camera. And it's the return of the one-head unboxings. I know it's not that pleasant to look, but we'll see what happens. Okay, LC7M2. It is made in, I don't see where it's made in. Made in Thailand, yeah. It's made in Thailand. Okay, what's inside? Full frame, 24.3 megapixel sensor, ISO up to 25,600, fast hybrid DAF, first alpha with the 5-axis steady shot. First Sony A7 camera with the stabilization inside and the TrueFind OLED XGA viewfinder. Of course, it supports XAVCS video format, still images more than 4K. What else? Yeah, NFC, Wi-Fi, and a couple of applications and accessories. And nothing but a QR code. Okay, let's dig into this. For US customers only. If you should need assistance with your Sony project, we are here to help. Okay, this should be the user manual. Yes, instruction manual, interchangeable lens digital camera, Great Britain. And it is, how many pages? Oh, man, that's a lot of pages. Oh, my. It's around 90, it's 93 pages long. Man. Then we have a European guarantee document, accessories, explore the ranges, something in Russian, register your product online. Yeah, we're gonna register this. Is there? No, there's no Lithuanian language, just other European languages. Okay, let's place it to the side and please read instruction manual first. Damn. So we have a strap, as we see, the Alpha 7 strap. Okay, my movement gonna be slow, but I guess I need to take it. I always put straps on my cameras, just because of safety. Sony, nice. Okay, then I guess here we have our charging cable. Two charging cables. One is, I guess this is the UK version. And this is the European version, 220 volts. Here is the camera itself, I guess. Yeah. Camera itself and one battery, two batteries, and micro USB cable. Here we go. Damn. Here we go. Here we go. Damn, look at this. Looks so awesome. Damn. And the weight. Awesome. Okay. I guess it doesn't have batteries now. Here. It's so nice that you can NFC sign. I think here you can download the photos to your mobile device. Here we have our SD slot. I bought this camera new, but of course this is an old model. Autofocus, manual focus, function key. Damn, all the buttons, everything is, you can feel the quality, the compensation of exposure, the choice of the program, what you want to do. I'm going to shoot the profiles, your customizable buttons, your shutter. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's take a look at the sensor. Damn, that's a biggie there. 35mm full frame. And such a small device. Yeah. I guess that's it. Here we go. That was the unboxing of the Sony Alpha 7 Mark II camera. If you like this video, press like. If you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you have any requests, write them in the comments and I'll do the video about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.